Ready. And action. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time again. Time for your intrepid Professor Victor, Singing Eagle here at Sisseton, Wahpeton College. Native American Literature. For today, Monday, March 24th, 2025. And now, without any further ado, the man himself, Professor Victor, Singing Eagle. Yay! Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's that time again. And I got some more. Let's open this up completely. More fun stuff in the mail. Let's see what I ordered. Just another book. Oh, goody, goody. Oh, joy. Oh, boy. Oh, wait. Queen of Corruption by Melissa McCann. I don't know what this is. Um, Something from an ex-girlfriend, and I got nosy, so I ordered it. Gonna have to read this in my own time. Ooh. It says here, Hal Crompton returns home from Iraq to find his childhood friend, Alistair, embroiled in a dangerous quest. Alistair has discovered the interdimensional route to the resting place of a powerful demon goddess who threatens the very fabric of their universe. Determined to stop his friend and prevent the catastrophic consequences that could follow, Hal sets out on a perilous journey across the multiverse through worlds as marvelous as they are deadly. Hal must ultimately decide whether he can save Alistair from himself or if he must kill Alistair to stop him. Will Hal find a way to save both Alistair and himself? Or will he lose everything, including the universe he is trying to save? Ooh. Oh, I just love books. Okay. Time to quit geeking out. What's going on in the world of literature today? Native American literature, that is. Let's see. Email announcements. Right. Let's have a quick look. Says here, if I scribble skedaddle over here, let's see. Oh, that has something to do with my CDL class and that horrible simulator that the school bought, but don't get me started because I'll never shut up. Instructors, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I might have talked about this before, but I'm going to talk about it again. Make sure you apply because the deadline is the 2nd of April for some kind of Panda Cares. Panda Cares must be from China. Anyway, apply anyway. It's money. What else? Right, another one to apply for a higher ed. Neato. Check your email. This is from Aaron Keeble, our resident expert in all things financial aid. So you've got two of them there. Those are the newest ones I have. I might have mentioned these before, but it does bear repeating. Also, about the food pantry donations. You can donate or also you can pick stuff up if you are one of the starving students. And we all know who we are. I've been down that road before. Now, enough of that. What else we got going on? I thought I already logged in. Yes, I did. Native American literature. We're going to scroll down to remind everyone, and you know who you are, to jump on this midterm. I've already been looking at Pop Quiz B and getting disappointed. Pop Quiz B, if you scroll up here and we're looking for Will Smith. Did I pass him up? I probably did. Yeah, I passed up. I'm going too fast. Slow down. Will Smith. There you are. Oh, there it is. PQB. So I was looking at this, and there's the section where it is the, what do you call them, essay questions or short answer. Actually, they should be medium length answer. And I see some people gave me 1 sentence answers to some questions. How disappointing. How heartbreaking. You're killing an old nerd here, an old Indian nerd, even more depressing. But never mind. Now, when you scroll down to the bunny rabbit, this is the midterms now, where it says, if you click on it and the essay section, it says Do not give me a lazy answer. That's what it means. Do not give a lazy answer. Okay, get it? Got it? Good. Now, rather than me stand up here and fuss at everybody, let's keep it positive. Says here we have 275 days till Christmas. By the way, the midterm exam is still open. So jump on it. Other stuff that's happening, you might scroll down past the stop sign and you'll see all this gobbledygook that I put in here about literary criticism. Don't let that intimidate you. We will talk about it later. And then I put all these cool little architecture things. These are, I'm using them as visual aids. By the way, not that it matters for now, but this is classicism. This is classical architecture, and everybody recognizes this. There's also one in Sacramento. And then this is formalist, not formalist. Formalist? Yeah, that's formalist. Formalist architecture there. And I will explain in a future video why I put this up here and what the heck it has to do with literature and Native American literature in particular. But we don't have time for that right now because I am supposed to harass you with some more Laura Tohi. I should put on my glasses. Hang on. I'm getting old. Gotta put on my glasses. There we go. Now I can see. And I bet you anything, I forgot my books, didn't I? Yes, I did. Well, in the meantime, these books will have to do for now. Why Indigenous Literatures Matter and Read, Listen, Tell. Make sure you keep up with the readings. We haven't done a whole lot, but I'm going to be bothering you with Thomas King coming soon. And Thomas King appears, I'm trying to remember, oh, I already met both Thomas King and Diane Glancy before. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, we talked about borders because it shows up on our pop quiz. It's also our midterm. Yes, I think it's in our midterm. This is on page 85. Have a look at it because I have a quote from this reading. Thomas King. He's part Greek and he is part Cherokee. There's a discussion about Polygon Allen, Deer Woman, on page 54. Ooh. Man, I could stand up here and just totally geek out, but we'll get to that at another time. I do want to draw your attention to those and keep in mind that I'm going to start moseying on toward the section that is in our Why Indigenous Literatures Matter, the section which is called How Do We Become Good Ancestors, which is on page 113, where it starts off, sooner or later you have to fess up and count the holes in everything. If not for yourself, then for everyone after and everyone before. This is what survival means. This is by Gwen Benaway. She is an Anishinaabe Métis, and it's from The Business of Trauma. Now that's enough of that for now. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to continue in another video with a whole bunch of readings. You ready? All right, we'll get started soon. Talk soon. Bye-bye. 8 minutes.